Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's video. Start with a special one, guys. It's another beautiful day. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So in case you're new, guys, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And in case you meet my videos, have some ads, guys, don't skip. Watch till the end, so that the best way you can support my channel. So right now that's how my house looks like, and everything is super clean, including tiles, carpets, man. And then my house going up to that way. So right now I'm going to see my mama reaction after all we struggled last week. So today man, everything will be moving perfect. You know, right there, that's my jacket with the blue. So we dry the clothes under the sun, guys. You know, wow, the sun is right now here within somewhere because it's, you know, it's covered by the cloud, but it is what it is. You see, that's how my jacket looks like. You know, I'll keep this one when I'm traveling. Is to wear this for the good view. All right, so I'm gonna see my mama outside right now. Whoa. Welcome outside, guys. Whoa. Hey guys, here we have a good angle, so I'm going to meet with my mama. Also today we opened that borehole officially. So since on Saturday we are curing where we work, and then right now, guys, officially we release water so our neighbors they can fetch, because it's a lot inside there. And when God bless you, let people enjoy from your side in a good way. Also even if my grandma needs to fetch water, sometimes that borehole there's no water, you know, so I release them to fetch water, but at night we close that borehole in good way. So today, guys, I'm working as alone, but mostly some villagers enjoy, you know. But for those who hate me, I don't want them here anymore. Yeah, that's my mama. Hey, mama, say hello.
Hello.
Now you are happy. Yeah, you see, to have some like kids who take care of you. Guys, I wish my daddy could be alive, man. Hey, whoa. Yeah, and then on yesterday I see the comment, it's good to help your mama going to the river. Right now she was working here fetching water, and it's cold here, guys. Mama hanga ni kinyita kana kikira tamanchiga. See, guys. Pare emete. Anandigirusi ha. Yeah, mama, when I'm starting cutting those trees, I'll cut this one here. Taikuja kukat. Lakini mi avocado nitaacha. So I'm supposed to cut these trees because at the same time it's gaining water from the ground, you know. So when I cut this one, we have a lot. See, guys. Woo! Kimwamere.
Karavati. Karavati.
Sababu ya baridi amanchi mengarengi ntahane.
Bene hano.
In water. Wagwan. Yeah. He's so happy right now. I think even tomorrow, on tomorrow's videos, I'll make some cleanness on that toilet with the clean water. You know, since 1.5 months, no water on that toilet. Hey. Kukura? Sikilibomoka mwezi wa tuseme wa 4.
Watatu ndio yako.
Wa 4 tena kebomoka wa 5. Yeah, I struggle, guys, to get water for real. Karavanu kibichafu sunendo yari nchafu. I think dumke don't forget much muke ogi ndani. kiogibu ndani. Abantu tata manchi kambi osho vizuri and cute. Nikitahara nikichafu ndani kiogibu buya. Yeah, I'm telling my mama this container is supposed to be washed inside. Look clean. Maana kila mtu nimesense pa atore.
Kanambe niko rentandi si.
Moja kwa moja na.
Usiri nogi.
Tunukoroge moronekere.
Rubairo no tananga na. Niko rentandi no.
Nasengo risimanira ndachinya masenti. See here. So right now guys, my mama shows taking this water. Hey man, these are risks. Wow. Yeah. I'll come and then. Hi, Jid. Oh. Hey, Mama Kev. Guys, as watch these videos, please, watch it to the end. And more vibe are coming, guys. This is what I'm calling home. And I love village life, guys. Hey. What on the head? Hey. African mom to the world. Guys, I'm so happy to have my mom around. Yeah. We're passing bushy here. We're going to give cows water. I think down here. Wow. After this, guys, I'm running to somewhere else. Wow. Initially, guys, back years, this would be it was a huge forest. But nowadays people cut the trees, they own, sell it. They don't understand why people do deforestation, and our country didn't allow it. But maybe it's our entire interior part of the village doing this. Other places, if you cut, you explain yourself. But our government allowed, if you cut one tree like this, you plant more than two. You plant more than two. Imagine. Yeah. So we just pull up here. Guys, a cow like this will go around $30, $300. I mean, I'm telling you guys, the one there around $400 to $500. That cow that you see here. See, even our cow are enjoying water, guys. Yeah. Nta koro muhoro kojo. Ni kipigisho. Nta meganke komerere. Ukinere. Zarafa wiki. Sengas. Gas. I'm doing mama. Should I shave my hair? Mama said no. Tahaki.
Nsirekovia. No nyori tami.
Ambe kungangana ke. Oh. They're enjoying drinking water. Okay, Mama, let's go. Okay, guys, let me go back home because Mtakwambia chota maji. Huko. I'm telling him. Because his home is around here. They'll come and fetch water. You know. Okay, let's go. Oh, my mom was telling their neighbors, guys. Let's go. You know, I'm pushing my videos, pushing, you know, till the end. Yeah, you can tell for even our neighbors. You know, guys, our family is somehow large. Going to other side, going that way. Oh. Hey, wewe waambie wachote maji. Hey. So Mama, she was going right there to tell her it's another family come to fetch water, but in good way, you know. So guys, stay tuned, more amazing videos coming, guys. All right, guys, right now I'm heading to the farm, and I just come here to check, you know, to wear my gumboots. Karibu. Somebody's knocking my door. Okay. We wanna go right now. Ingia kwa ndani. Imefungwa. Ingia kwa ndani nakuja. So yeah, that's how my home looks like very in the morning, you know. So I'm heading to the farm, guys, right now, or relocate to the farm. Let's go. So I'm just over here, guys, sharing with you this idea from East Africa, Kenya. It's very in the morning, so we can't imagine, guys. I wear 2 jackets, this one and that one. Wow, the weather is so beautiful, man. Yeah, I'm wearing the gumboots, Shamba boy. Yeah, I'm a village boy, born and raised in Africa, Kenya, Nyabuhansi village to the world. So at this moment, I'm heading to the farm, see what is going on, you know. Wow. Since day one, I show you how my brother plow the farm or to prepare the land, and then you know, all stuff. Wow, and then they plant maize, look like that. Yeah. So at least I'm gonna spend around 10 minutes in the farm, and then things will be sorted out. Oh, let's go. You know. Yeah. And today they have really tried the best, working from there, come all the way up to this side here. Or they're doing shagalabaga. Yeah, I have the gumboots, man. Wow. Early preparation of the land, and I think down here they are doing good in terms of maize, because all maize, all fertilizer run from down, stop here. Okay. Yeah. So last time, guys, when I'm around here at the farm, they are being beat the cow. And then people say, oh, you beat the innocent cows. Kamu kapi hango sero kyo, ma'am? Hi. That.
Hi. Ngura tutatira nacho ke mbuka tutatira.
Sorry.
Kana tira ko igoro na hono.
Mom, good morning, Mom.
I am fine.
You're good?
I am good.
My hardworking mama,
yes.
ever. Mama, I buy for you gambut. Mbona huna gambut?
Nimetoa. Chilitohere.
That's story mingi. Here is in the village. You need to wear gambut like me. Kuja. Yeah, today no bit. Hey. Okay. Hey. Jago. Kawan. You're serious, guys. Hey. Hey. Nah, itu. Hey.
Ukiaga tawe kang'ombe kero kaagata.
Kano.
Ukamaka
See, guys.
gutembea na karambu kitu.
So we follow this line, this stuff here. You want to know how to plow with cows? Yeah. I share with you my experience. Today my brother is not around. He went for the blue job collar.
Which one?
Not white job collar. Blue job collar, you know, for the construction site as a handman. Yerimi kwa bara takasoki.
Akabandi ni kimwambia no etabandi regenda hakuna habezi. Ikina kano karo. Watune ngombe kamera no. Yero wikali hansi ngende namba ko imiki.
Ayera yasembu yere. Sikana.
Ayena.
Nyoyo banyo hanga wale merai.
Tena agata tena magenda. Bako imiki.
Mantra outro songoro hara. Tena vai okor video inchen. Tamuka masuba tera. Tore. Yeah. Kuja. Yeah. Tukasa kona na maboko. Kano achipa kyaruwe muki. Wano kyanu yani one way. Tango tirga tata mangana kana kono kuruki. Meran segendra hayu. Eh. Kotan. Yoni bia machomba. Aso no rando nyuma. Stare.
Atue para maha bro.
Tare ma.
Hai. Wai. Chini. Nyonyo gem. Ango tora ku bukim. Tanyo ko tu ano ko
nyuma.
Ango kumaha.
Ndo nyuma kabisa. Stare.
Hey.
Okay guys, let's go. Come.
Hey.
I think you go. Raman, poso bagaimana pitching ngombe na mama.
Bonsu ko mama.
Alright guys, let's go.
Ego ambe kenge sa.
What tamanho magkyo.
Grabe ni itu gak kuy.
Kora maginga ay marado.
Entrada.
Hey. Nata ni dale rego sekera.
Remba ko imukiri, kana ke ngo te ana te imukiri. Arange ku imukiri ango sera raha.
Sogos. Mucho.
Alombu ya hari takan ni yo hari.
Mucho.
Sir.
Bana samia.
Hey.
Ara toker.
Toker.
Tame. Okay guys, he was my cameraman. Hey, no go.
Akaba ko si yigoro mama. Chikugwere yuwe.
Okay, wewe usigwara tumugonde sambirwa nindo.
They're not beating of the cow.
Hey. Gitora iso kiba gucha baga sara gucha mugonde sambirwa.
Kuja. Kuja is to come, you know. Go. Yeah, you press like this and then it's go. Tulingeka muju. Tadinga mama. Hi. Fenya. Dangaja mkuria. Muringo hayo. Kagota. Kuja. Today no beating of the cow, guys. Kuja. I don't know whether these cows are aggressive. I fear, guys. Sorry. 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 Go to the corner, kick up here. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Hey, mana haba tu?
Hey. Sorry. Whoa, whoa. Okay, guys. And today I feel like to buy some lemon and ginger to drink, and then you know, my voice somehow goes down. Whoa! Kulimo dali. Whoa! Village life. I'm nipo ndo tunani. Neto kwa ke babu demian.
Ora mangana.
Eh. Kuja mkabe siku moja nikuona kwa runinga. Oi. Taraye.
Ndio bacha matanga kwa watu muntu wao.
Mukungu ranse kwa.
Mukako ya kunyo kai. Hey. Wesarus.
Oi.
Wala ko may karapale para mahamangana kaya kayo kuwati. Hey.
Tore. Tore. Hey. Tore. It's heavy. Okay, man. Ma batir habari manara kan datura no hapa kisi ng'ombe. Itana shida. Like mara kile gichire hicho. Kaya. Okay, guys, let's go. Hey. Aye. At least, guys, I show you how I do some activity here and there. So they're almost to finish up, and I think when my brother come back, they'll sort that guy, you know. Hallelujah, guys. I want to say thank you everybody by being supporting to me, and I appreciate, guys. Without you, man, I could maybe sitting idle, you know, nothing to do at the end of the year, go coming. But God have some reason, you know, amongst of my family to be chosen. Wow. And other of my brother and sister that have been continuing with school or study, you know. When I'll be retired, so they'll be supporting me the way I'm supporting them. Wow. Wow. So more amazing videos coming, guys. And on today's videos, I was being with my mama to the farm, you know. Yeah. Whew. This is what I'm calling home. You know, one day you'll find this house. If you came to Africa, yeah, you find that house. And I feel so happy on my side. Bruno, morning. Yeah, let me show you a little bit. Alright guys, that's my baby, and it's helped me a lot, man. I don't know why I love blue colors, guys. Even right now, maybe this is the sky blue, I don't know. Maybe this is blue, I don't know. And in the morning I was curing on the borehole here. So we do it, you know, morning and evening time, twice per day. You know, even if we want to do more than that. But what I believe, we mix with waterproof, you know. And I don't want maybe some smooth. I need somehow rough and smooth, because I don't want people to fall down. You know, we see the container. Man, if you know, this journey is not an easy thing. But we keep pushing. And then we said, okay, let's go. And I know other people said, oh, hello baby, every day is borehole. Man, without, let me tell you one thing. A home like this, let me come here. A home like this, we can't run a home without water. You know, water is everything, you know. Cooking, washing utensils, giving the cow, you know, we're supposed to have a lot of water, you know, so you can able to run your home, you know. So probably right now I said thank you everybody by supporting me since day when I start this journey. You are with me, you know. Advise me, hello baby, you're supposed to do this, you're gonna do this, you know. And I take your comments serious, guys. On the comment section, I'm more perfect, and I know how to deal with negative comments and also positive comments. So sometimes as a human being, we want to make a mistake today. Tomorrow I'll be correct on that mistake, you know. I'll never repeat again. So probably right now as I speak here, guys, you know, this borehole, I'm so blessed. Since day one when we started this borehole here, I told the guy, the first guy who sent him away, sorry, get to send off, who sent him away back, he start and he dig 11 feet, he ran away. The second guy, he dig until he find water. And guys, maybe this is a miracle, I don't know. I stand here, I told the first guy, I need the borehole to be dig here. They're supposed to take me to other side where you see some like where you see those trees here, that way there. So let me go there, I'll show you, because my grandma borehole is just over there. They said, okay, when your grandma dig the borehole, the same time you get water there. I'm telling you, I told them no, I need here, and I mean it's here. If you don't want, you better go. But maybe it's God keep pushing me, say, my son, hello baby, dig there. And then I stuck there. I told them I need that borehole to be here. Man, finally we get water, a lot of water. So I think from tomorrow I will release everybody to fetch water, because me, I'm not such kind of people who, you know, like closing the borehole. Maybe at night I would close. Daytime I don't want to close. Even right now I'm going to request my mama to release everybody to fetch water. Who want to come at home and fetch water, let them fetch water, because I have been blessed by God to get water. Mom, wewe mtu anayetaka kuchota maji mchana achilie wachote maji. Yeah, I'm telling my mama, if one need, he or she want to fetch water, let them fetch water at daytime, and then usiku tunafunga. So I'm telling mama, at night we close, daytime we open, everybody they can access to fetch water, because we're so blessed. Okay, mom. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, see you later. Guys, more amazing videos coming out, so stay tuned. Say hello.
Yes, what's up guys? My name is Gaki, and we are about to leave the village to another village. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end, subscribe, and let us know what you think about this amazing vlog. It is early morning over at the village. It is 11 a.m. in the morning. Here we go. Stay tuned.
Well guys, this is a KK here. Me at the back here, no problem. As long as, oh man, let me show you. This crazy. We have some cement here, you know. Okay. One at a time. That's how Nyabanse looks like. Let's build Africa, man, you know, step by step. And then boom. Oh my God, let's go. It's time to build Africa, I'm telling you. Mr. Zaka. Opoa. So this is the KK here. And we're heading to my brother's place right now. Yeah. Wagwan. That's Dave Junior. Okay. Wow.
Hey, Maro.
Okay. Let's go. No pressure, guys. So we are heading this way. You know. Okay. When we're heading this way, we're going to Border Town. Tourist vehicle, guys. It's time to travel. Alright, guys, our journey continues up to Mabera, and then whew, whoa. Life in the KK. Guys.
Sasa kita magara. Dasara muguta magke. Terari ancha ko matna tamam ya diri hara paangai to ka.
Let's go. So it's time to build Africa brick by brick, step by step. No pressure, guys. No competition. No, that's banana. Went to the market right here. At the same time, guys, that's a tuk-tuk right there. I'm wearing today Shakara Bagala, you know, so to push my day. Goodbye, Nyabanse village. The what? Actually, they're making beds here. Life in the motorbike. Hey. Oh. Hey, tourist vehicle. Another KK here. Another KK. Crazy. and then we go. Yeah, well done. Okay, guys. Let's house. See? And then as we go. Leo nimevaa kihuni. Hivyo hivyo. Hivyo. Sasa wewe utafanya kiheshimiwa na una hela. Hivyo hivyo. Ni mheshimiwa hapo. Hayo ni maua ya dunia mura. Good day. So guys, we left the petrol station here. We're in Mabera, and then now we branch. Hey. We left this place. See that apartment? Yeah. Finger millet plantation. I never see the white finger millet. Maize. Yes. Alright guys, we are still going. Here it's supposed to be a transformer here. But right now, because of corruption, nothing to be there. The road is rough. See how the road looks like. Rough. So we are interior part of the village, guys. Village life. Can you imagine there's some shops within here, guys? Wow. Also have an booster satellites here. See that one here? Okay guys. Woo. Yeah. Little kids sleeping right there. So that's our school within here, known as Ibaha. You see guys? Yeah, I think this is for Safaricom. There's a booster, solar panel on top. We're still moving. So tobacco plantation right there. Also sunflower plantation. You can see how it's behaving, guys. That's sunflower plantation. Subscribe to my channel, guys. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. It's a tough journey. Let's imagine from Nyabohan's up to here. It's a tough journey. No, that's a local fence. Yeah, African school, you know, kids are outside playing the ball, you know. Imagine that's a school right here. It's still moving. Champion to toe. Yeah, the road is rough. There's some stones you can sit down here. shaking. Like, whoa. Hey. But it is what it is, guys. I love village life. It's a day I eat here as a hotel, right here. It's reminds me. You know, small hospital. Then here, yeah, man. But the good thing about here, people are really farmers, guys. You can see, bro, maize are looking so nice, so big. Look. Whoa, I'm shocked, guys. They will harvest a lot of bags. Try to imagine. Goats are grazing. You can see them right here. Yeah. So guys, drop the sweet comment on the comment section. What do you think about on today's videos? But on my side are very special. Wow. This is a purely village. I'm remaining at back. Whoa, shooting the video. So finally guys, we back. Try to imagine, guys, I'm charging my camera at the same time filming my videos. So yeah. Yeah, let's go. That's the KK. Yeah, we have a nice hotel here. At least. Okay. This big surprise, guys. Okay. Although the road is very crazy here, you know, they need to become in good way. Hey, pole means to roll, guys. Yeah, nowadays, guys, I maintain, you know. Okay. That's totally. Yes, me I'm coming, no problem. Yeah, sometimes guys, it's good when I walk, I make some beat exercise, guys. We have on my side. Wow, so it's been a while, you know. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's build Africa, guys, step by step, you know, bricks by bricks. That's how we build Africa. You see, from my entire village, nobody's staying here. Means we have a lot of land here. Look, going up to that way. This one here, that you see if you knock somebody. Tushafika ni hapo kwa mti. You know, there's a day I watched videos from my brother. They said he was totally disappointed. Actually, he dropped the sand here. This is crazy. You see? This is crazy. Then the construction site's just down there. Okay. It's a champion 4x4. It means it has 4 wheels, I don't know. Ankles to Gake right here. I think people are on construction. And then the good thing is Mr. Gake is like escorting me, you know. I want to spend my day here. Look at this guy. People are working, guys, here. Serious. Tunaweza ingia hapo huko. Hatu hike mata isuri hare kumatafari. Hike hike. I'm telling him to go like that way and then put the cement there. Maua tachu go to hai. Masubo. Sisi na yako hapo. Aya. Hey. Fresh MC. Uko poa? Niko. Nitakuja nao usijali. Guys, there's an MC there. So, yeah. We are fast. Okay. Go. Eyo. Para que membro senhor igo. We tá falando etereo nigo. So we're back, guys, to our construction site. So we build Africa step by step. Job. And then it goes to close to around $10, you know, one bag. It's heavy. Wow. Hey, one day when I see my house reach at this point, especially my mama dream house, I'll say, God, thank you. But I'm keep pushing myself, you know. When it reach here, how many blocks? Try to imagine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe 4 times 100 meters. Yeah.
As I was telling you.
This is a serious matter. You see a content creator here, fixing the stand and phone, recording, you know. I think, guys, it's my time to remove the jacket and then I put down because I wake up in the morning. It's crazy. Let me fix it here. Where? Oh my God. I don't want to hang my camera. Yeah. I'm gonna do like that. And then the main thing is my phone here. I put on my pocket. I didn't trust people. I didn't trust people, man. You know, that is me. I'll fix it here. So there's one guy said I give him a shout out. Let's see. I think also a YouTuber. Oh my god. Where's my shirt? I think he was a YouTuber. He was the one who fixed this. See the bricks? Benny. Mugucha kodi mbahoro. Na marari na tafari marari chinsiku chincheru. Mbuya more. MC, come you say hello. You are lucky today.
Hello, baby. How are
You good?
Hi, guys.
Let me show you guys. You see?
This Moses.
Moses
2M.
on YouTube.
Long time, man.
Yeah, me I'm good.
You're good.
Yes.
Hello, guys. How are you doing? Right, yes, Moses 2M after many days. Hello, baby. Happy
Guys,
to be on your channel today.
I think it's during Ayamara party.
Yeah, that's November
2023.
Exactly. But today we are also right here.
Yes. How many years ago? One.
It's 1 year, like
One and
year,
a
6
half.
months. 1 year, 7 months. Anyway,
Let's
6
see.
months.
Yeah.
Definitely.
6
Anyway,
months. 1.5 year.
Yeah, 1.5 year anyway.
Imagine.
You're so
guys.
accurate on counting. Anyway, guys, I'm happy to be here on
Okay.
Hello Baby's channel, and thank you so much for supporting Hello Baby. And if you're watching this for the first time, my name is Moses, as you have been shown off, and we just welcome you to our channel. Kindly find me
Okay.
at Moses 2M, a YouTube channel. We have a lot of videos, and we request our people to watch, and also saying thank you so much for the great support you're giving to us as Kenyan content creators. We are super happy. Hello, baby. I know maybe you are worried today. How come the reception is today is doing a construction?
Okay,
work?
we talk about this issue of construction with my brother. So this he's supposed to make some blocks like this one, but I say that bricks he can push the house.
Exactly, because
You know.
the materials are already down, so no need to add more materials while you have others that you can use as alternative. It's a good thing. It's gonna work. So I'm very happy, bro, to be here at Gake's place.
Yes,
to
here.
work here today as a handman. Anyway, I know our people might be surprised.
Today you work as a handman,
Today
tomorrow you are a boss. Today you are a handman, tomorrow you are a boss.
Exactly, that's how it is. But I'm very grateful and thankful, guys.
Okay.
Kindly subscribe to our channel, visit me, Moses 2M. Keep
Guys,
on supporting Hello Baby.
Let me show you that most, because yesterday I was invited one of my brother here from Nairobi.
Yeah.
They said at least show us a YouTube channel name on their phone, and then can able to subscribe.
Yo, it's
so
here.
just over here, guys.
Yeah. You see,
I
Moses
spend 30 seconds, and then you can see, guys. Moses 2M.
2M.
MOSES 2M means 2 million.
Yeah.
YouTube.
That's the dream, Hello Baby.
Okay, you
Yeah.
reached there.
In the next, maybe. I don't know why
Reached there.
YouTube doesn't grow today. My YouTube is very down, by the way. And that's why I'm back to Nyabuanse.
Okay.
I'm back to Nyabuanse, where we
I
started the journey.
think Nyabuhanse, maybe when somebody comes to Nyabuhanse, they'll never go empty-handed.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. And, you know, I'm still appreciating our brother Marwa, because where it took us from ground to where we are right now. I can't complain, bro. I always saying thank you, because, you know, always there's a better tomorrow. Yeah, as you have just said, today I'm a hunterman, tomorrow
You're a boss.
a boss. Thank you
Yes.
guys so much. I want to continue with the work here, Hello Baby.
I'll give again an example. Gake, he was working at tomorrow as a handman. Right now, he was a boss.
Today, Gaka is my boss.
You see? Vice versa.
Vice versa.
Yes.
Yes. So
Maybe
guys,
today, guys, I'm a supervisor. Tomorrow, I'll be a boss. You don't
tomorrow
know.
be a boss. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Okay,
Thank you
guys.
so much, Hello Baby. Let's keep on working, guys. Thank you so much. for
Let's
the
show people how you
great-
push.
Oh,
Yes.
show you how we push.
Habari ndugu.
You know, at Amaru Party was the reception, so we were in
Yes.
the office. Today,
You work. This is a blue job collar.
this is how we do it, man.
Yes. As long as you get money to upload your videos,
Exactly.
to
That's the
feed
main-
your family, you're ready to go.
That's the main thing. Just
Yes.
to upload a video daily, maybe to pay my phone,
Yeah.
and also to feed the family.
Yes.
And things continue. No one knows what about tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some bricks here.
These are bricks. But I'm happy for Masubo. It's doing
It's
great.
Gake.
Yeah.
on
I'm sorry,
YouTube.
Gake.
Yeah.
I'm happy for Gake. He's doing great. I can't imagine. Gaki was the store guy during the party. Today he's building a mansion.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for always supporting us. That's the reality. I'm very grateful.
Imagine.
Yeah?
You know, even me have everything on the ground.
You have everything.
Yeah.
I want to work at your site.
I will invite you.
Invite me to be the site manager.
Not now, maybe
When?
August.
Let me tell you something. I used to tell my friends that the kind of work that we are doing on YouTube, do you know you might wake up tomorrow and start working?
Yeah.
True story. So anyway, guys, I'm very, very happy and grateful.
Okay.
And hello, baby, you know, by that time, I couldn't believe in the next 1 year we are supposed to meet again, still doing YouTube, bro.
Yes.
TBD.
Me, I'm pushing myself. I'm pushing myself like a donkey.
Our audience
No
will tell me
problem.
that Moses keep going. Do
Yeah.
not stop. Because if we stop, we disappoint Marwa. That's the reality.
Yeah, sure.
Like you are disappointing your teacher.
Yeah. you know a donkey, every day you can put a luggage, every day. Like never give up, no tired. Yeah.
Going.
Yeah, me, I'm pushing like a donkey. Every day is to carry heavy load on my back. And then boom.
Yeah. Thank you very much, bro. I know we're gonna meet several times.
Okay.
And you'll be on my video too. I'm
Okay.
off.
Okay.
When I'll be free, I'll hear you out on my video, okay?
Okay.
At least we keep going together.
Okay.
Yes.
You're welcome, my brother. Okay, guys, they're mixing sand and cement to create a mortar and then start building. Yeah. Hey, men at work, guys.
Yes. I know people are surprised. How comes Moses today is planting a sand, man? Guys, it's good to be neutral. Once you are in Kenya, be hard and be neutral. You can do anything at any time.
Yeah.
When you go to the office work, we do that. When you go to the road, you do that. When you go to the construction,
You do that. Yes, mnachota mara tatu tap 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 inakuwa. Mnageuza mara tatu.
mara tatu.
Hapo hapo tu. Started. Otate. Amweke akae chini hivi. So guys, they are arranging here. You know, like the support. Yeah, Ben. Tu monte korumo ene. Hanaracha ko. Ebe rumo ene ikore. What about the wajitengenezee yako. Yeah, they're creating support, guys, you know. They step here to raise up the house. Serious work. Yeah, increasing height. Here they're mixing mortar. Right now it's mortar, guys. Oh my God.
Moses 2M right here, guys. Moses 2M, kindly subscribe. Yeah, show them this. So them this.
Okay.
Attack.
Okay.
Moses 2M for the first time
Yeah.
working.
Maybe on Gaki I've already shown mine.
Yeah, on Gake.
Mhm.
I know Gake is busy. But guys, if you're watching from Gake side,
Mhm.
thank you so much for supporting Gake. Thank you so much for supporting Moses and also Hello Baby. Right here we are back again today.
Back to the roots.
Back to the root anyway. I'm working over here. There's no money.
Mhm.
You need to find this money.
Okay.
Yes.
Haya Moses. Okay. Yeah. You need to be strong. Ukiregeregea ndacheri kotemea magoro. You need to be strong like a Beni. How things have been set up here or setting, raising the height. Mugita. Ya itakuja.
Usiwaze kabisa.
Yeah. So they have already raised the height. You can see some blocks.
Wewe hapo umekaa. Hapa iko fiti japokuwa kitanda ni kidogo.
Hii block hii.
Uangalie hiyo tofali ya chini.
Hii wewe chunga hapa. Chunga hii.
Kuanguka siwezi.
Chunga block.
Ni moja. Pemba moja.
Chunga hii.
Nenda wapi?
Hii block. As I'm telling this guy, must be very careful. Haya.
I be quite careful do leo.
Okay. You're the one who raising the height. Oh, sorry. Guys, I'm dreaming this. Maybe one day I'll find my mama dream house which have this rave, and then we'll have a lot of people working so hard.
Nipe moja.
Okay. Kadiri mnaenda juu mnaongeza tu ma block.
Hapa sasa tutatumia tena block. Nataka tuanguke. Ndio tutapiga tofauti tutapiga. Wewe, mbona kitu iko simu?
Chunga.
Tamaa tu kule.
So guys, people are pushing the wheelbarrow here.
Baba hapa
Yeah.
kwa ni rahisi kuliko kusimama. Akipauka ni rahisi.
Ben upewe mchanga.
Wewe,
Boss.
tuletee mbao.
Moses anza, wewe mpe mchanga tuende moja kwa moja. Mpe mchanga. Ama bado besheni.
Si lazima tutakupatia nini. Leta hiyo nini yako. Leta hiyo karatasi.
Leta hiyo karatasi mchana muweke hapo. Sokoro. Ile magunia simiti iliendaga wapi? Fundi apewe. Yeah, one on one, moja kwa moja.
Pichane.
Ikuwe kama nini? Ya tiri pa. Ambe nili tiri. Ha. Yeah, at the same time guys, I'm shooting my brother's video here. He was not around, so I'm gonna show you how people do things here. Ngoja weke maji kidogo. Yeah. Alexander, sasa utasomba tofali ile atakuwa naweka wheelbarrow mchana. Yeye anawachotea. putting down the bricks. Unataka kula maji? Mwekee maji kidogo. Kuna wall pass, kuna sengenge za Kabiro.
Weke waya, au alikuwa anawekaje waya?
Weka tu, si ni kwa mbili mbili.
Weka waya.
Kapeni waya.
Kuna binding huko.
Wekeni waya.
Hi guys. Hey. Ben on the control. The sharp mason. Okay, chaka nsombo. Kijana leo kuna kazi. Nishapatia Mtanzania mwingine hapo.
Sasa Tanzania, mimi wa Kenya
Samia anakataa wa Tanzania.
Samia anafukuza wa Kenya mnafukuza wa Tanzania.
No politician here bro. Unajua ni nani? Sema alikuwa anafanya kwa Demiano pale ndani.
Yule mwenye alivunjika miguu.
Na wataka kwa kona hichi block. Okay,
Maanisha wa Tanzania.
Yo ngatore humuharura kama.
Bado wana njaa.
Oh, they are fixing all pass. Mbana hii tangu.
Kata hiyo.
Okay guys.
Kama mawe ureka na nyundo.
Utafanya kazi na pete. Utafanya kazi na pete.
Sari nyota hiyo.
Nani duka? Alright guys, let me boost my battery. So it went off right now. Alright guys, sometime I pause, I charge my battery and then doing vlog. Benny, faster machine, like machine. What? Matemo. Guys, this week we never see this house again. So I think it's time to go back home. No. Yeah. Well done job. Hey. This is a window grill. No? Yeah. It was a nice height. The window. Fundi Mbongo.
How are you, mister?
Asa hapo unajua ni block moja ungeweka imeza kila kitu hapo.
Imagine bana.
Tuseme block 1 2 3, tuseme 3 ingefika juu. Block 4 kwa renta, si ndio?
Hapo nimetenga tofali kama huu.
Wagwan. That's a Jamaican potwa. Do you know potwa? It's patwa. Yeah, I think it's patwa. Yeah, Africa is the second Jamaica. No problem, guys. Yeah. so I wanna say goodbye this place.
Oh, you want to move?
Yeah. Me I'm a traveler. Traveler to the village. Away, ukase ukuboko. Chaga na kamoro kai. Yangu kinyi. Kono uone wenzako penye wako na mlianziana. Ndani kuna watu hapo kona ya uhagachi. Oh, mraupo. Guys, men at work. At the same time, this is a blue collar job here. Kozine ivutwe. Mwe ukitenga pole pole siku nusu. Uwezi kula kwa migongo ya watu. Ambe hamu mo answering. So I'm telling him to do quick and fast as other masons doing like Mr. Ben here. Alright guys, I left this place right now. I'm heading home. You know.
You see the progress.
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah.
You know, step at a time.
Yeah.
Yes. One day you find yourself finish up everything. So right now guys, life on the motorbike. Yeah. No pressure. Kweli kuna kiwese huku? Amali alishaka alivyopitia toka.
Yeah, I think miaka vipo 300. Asubuhi nilikuja.
So I'm heading home. Make sure that the person is eating the food. Super green, guys. Look from other side. No people staying within here. The land is empty, guys. Look. Hey. It's another village, guys. Only that you see is cow grazing. Yeah. Indigenous trees. You see, nobody's staying here. Up to other side. Maybe here. Maybe here. I see one house. Yeah. See? Kids are going back lunchtime. Yeah. We're gonna push ourselves. One day we'll find ourselves on the next level.
Remember taking the foundation at 2 a.m. in the morning?
Yes, I remember. We have a history, guys, of our life.
Crazy days.
Okay. Today it takes place here during market day. You know, right in a film. Right now, guys, it's a government house for the rental. You see this one here? Yeah?
Affordable house.
Yes, affordable housing in Kenya. Hey, government, they're making money. Look.
They said that you pay for like 30 years so that it can now become one.
You know that here we like if they can put 10,000 per month, that's around maybe one person they can pay around 10 million or 40 million pounds that year. Kenya is making money. Affordable house in Kenya, that's another business. So during primary school, you normally come here for friendly sports day, you know, at Kubwe. And for the next side, it's where markets take place. Yeah. Gari inakuja right. Kaenda kando gari inakuja. Jamani, shida yake ni gani? Apa ada hepa ushuru eh?
Man magen.
Yes.
Man matang.
Wow. Let's go. We're passing bush here.
The shortcut.
Shortcut. Yeah. Guys, help me for building. Let's go. Alianza kujenga.
Bado.
Africa, the land of wood and water. Yeah, nice get.
Land of
Wood and water.
which water?
I'm telling you, like everything is natural.
Natural.
Yeah.
No photocopy.
No photocopy. You see, guys. Hey.
These are natural.
Yeah, things are natural.
Yeah.
Imagine we get firewood, we get water,
Yeah.
we get sun, everything. We're so blessed. So right now, guys, we meet the tarmac road. Right here. Chakwanza jamaa pita. Okay. Let's go, guys. Go. Like that. Guys, I just pull up here with my bike. I'm supposed to change the oil for my first bike. This is my second bike, and I meet my driver here. So I think your oil iko sawa. Let's work your hii. Usiraumu. Sichimbiro red. Let's work your. Ama hiyo tora.
Ndeti chimbiriga.
Hiyo tora.
Bibigyan mangigera mpagire.
Karena ini neko pegatura ni ani ne huruba. Masa ya Korea ambili kan kirutira kamu boleh.
No maheni bro kai bono. Tiga.
Atore ini.
Nangkangero munyoro.
Tamanyo wa atore ini usai kutuna.
Yengo torani sasa. Tiga memata ya bani oire.
Tare tu pigi sasa kutore tora mahapura.
Mura mata no aka dentro. Kuno montão.
Te ora tu iro tore mura. Matai. So guys, I want to change this bike oil right now, and it's a brand new oil. Tegoro mai. Eu iri hatu. Usiomo. Kana ni baku de bora.
Fundi tika fundi aje.
Wasinde ningi makonyoro ma.
Eta kabingi. Eto kinyi na kinyi.
Okay guys, we need to exchange.
Kana tumoke hanje. Kana ya kidiva.
Iri rafa every month ra change.
Kwanza si every month. Iri kabisa mondo ra maintain. Wiki mbili ile ya tatu. Kabla ile ya tatu ije ato.
Every month.
Kama hapo kio kichini. Anakimbia iri wiki ngapi? Mbili na hata kwanza akimbia.
So this share advance, you know, 20 up to 50, you know. Premium mini bro.
Sister on hapo na ina sisi jakino wala antime.
Na sasa utamtega gani kwa hapa vina kuja.
Tunangianga ni mnyoro.
Aso kire. Kama na itemero bo.
Iya.
Mujumba. Mujumba. Hatari mujumba. Wagwan. Kama hauna. Disaki foi wapi hata 50.
Naomba Wakenya wenzangu na sio watu mimi mapenzi kutoka Lahore.
Yeah. Okay guys. Wow. We're gonna fix it right now. No problem. Caralho. Caralho, que hora, mano? Ei. What? Wait. Eu ainda me big. No, toca vere. Yeah. Tadi enggak cuma baru tekan tunggu. Wow. Watare kona kuya moyo. Irengo kole mere no se heka. Bigumbe. Najengo tebi. Ya? Kono muranyangoro kwa sina gari tafuta. Haya. Wagwan. Whoa. Okay. Let's change our oil. Wait, I don't know how to mata. Popoki. Mara. Sasa toko toro banyiga. O toreyo sasa kibona ke. Era negento algo. Hold me there.
Mama geisia kaza.
Mura. Asa era ne raño.
Mama ta unyoro kaje si. Munyora rafi kila chicken no. Kira no atora gi hatara gi design nyine yenye sio. No mai kama no modeli ule. Ma nyora. Ani oiri mama.
Ado ko boa hayo sabe ya kinyere.
Tema bono.
Hey guys, this is the guy who dig my boat. Hey! Tá comigo. Tá bom ter virado. Yeah. Que buraco não quer ambil ke hoiri. Terá muito que hansa. Ka. Mereka tu paso kia.
Paso kia. Bas kini orang ambil baca kosok.
Apa maravu? Oh. Kamu teh Jumamosi.
Jumamosi paso.
Jumamosi ba amasende Jumamosi ka aku nyot. Ndai mburi mama ntambe kambara pamoteke. Pamoteke. Chimbira kama mbara batigire. Sawa ndachi tumia tu amber sokin koretere ha. Antana unsa. Ismaken. Hans. Aman, kamera pikoche.
Hata pombengo kokolonga bwana. Wamenyoya bwana kwa TV baje kwanza mama. Wamenyoya bwana.
Ana padetere. Ona nako soha akamige tekera hapo. He was the guy who dig my borehole. Sawa. Haya. Sawa. Okay, let's see guys. Guys, I finished this one happened. Abahana yasira no mata.
Chini no ya ikiri okenge.
Ngamina kwamba ukenge. Bwe Christopher, arambirike kenge.
Kana ngani unaka kutebiri mata.
No ya ikio.
Kana tamu kenge.
Kenge.
Yeah, kana kwamba kata kenge. So guys, we need to cut the chain because it's long.
Kana ko tunini manire mata. No kutenya ni akokenga. Ni akokenga.
Aikiamgo tangu mnaona tunakata nyororo. So guys, we are reducing the chain. Fire. Try to exchange the weight. This one is too black. This is down here.
Mata Montebri ke oiri ngo fairi ke Kenya wiki ngapi ra change.
Mweri.
Ipere. Yakatatu ra change.
Wiki. Kono.
Bona ndiko ambe ni yakatatu ra change.
Wiki akanu change bro.
21.
Kono. Wiki mbili mora kwani oiro nanyora kora. So exchange the weight. Alright guys, we just back home from Mr. Gake. So that's my bike. Although I didn't manage to go with it because the road was very rough. At the same time we consume the fuel, you know. So we went to the tuk-tuk, and I say congratulations to my friends. At the same time, who was my brother. You know, we struggled from since day one, you know, working as an institution, as a school workers, maybe as a handman, you know, and then come outside here working. We didn't get paid, but we say all in all is good. We push ourselves, you know. Nowadays they try to succeed themselves in another way, and I want to say thank you so much for those people supporting us. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Without you guys, we could be maybe sitting outside here idle at the end of the year, no changes, but at the same time we say God thank you for this platform. It helps us a lot, as long as maybe one people know what they are doing, you know, you're ready to go. Like I myself, I'm pushing myself like a donkey. You know, a donkey, guys, you can put more luggage, they can go tomorrow like that way, previous day like that, whole month like that. So my work is to put videos no matter what, guys. And the good thing about me, I don't mind, like I get lower views, higher views, you know, me all in well, I said boom, you know. So that's a good way. I found myself, you know, working so hard like a donkey, but I use that terms maybe other people can understand, you know, working so hard, you know, at least to achieve my goal, man. So please guys, watch this video at least this month. If you're watching my videos every day, don't skip ads to give more likes, you know, you share my videos. At the end of August, I'll start building from nowhere. Right now I have the material, so I'm remaining with one thing. Let me say some few bags of cement, also blocks. I have the sand and stones, and also some other blocks, and also some labor money, you know. If maybe my target to reach around $1,000, I will manage on the construction, you know, trust me. So guys, I love you from my bottom of my heart. So we shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow. And right now I'm speechless, no idea on these videos how long will take, around maybe 50 minutes, 1 hour, 40 minutes, I don't know, guys. Me, I'm just filming the video the way it is, and flow with the vibe, guys, all the way. Positive vibe win, you know. Sometimes I get negative comment, but I know how to handle with both sides. Positive comment, negative comment, I know how to handle those comments, you know. as long as watch my videos, man, I'm ready to go. So guys, I love you from a distance in East Africa, Kenya. Much greeting, guys. We shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye.